Sembla is like Lego, but for building for sized structures. It's made from cement-free geopolymer concrete, using natural raw materials and industrial byproducts to cut carbon emissions by up to 70% compared to traditional concrete. Despite this, it remains strong and reliable. The system follows a modular 12.5 by 12.5 by 12.5 centimeter grid and comes in 4 block sizes with 2 height options, allowing walls to be built at thicknesses of 12.5, 25, or 37.5 centimeters. The blocks interlock without mortar or glue, making construction quick and easy with no waiting for materials to dry. Insulation is added afterward, so thermal performance can be adjusted based on specific project needs. One of its biggest advantages is that everything can be taken apart and reused. Unlike conventional masonry, which often results in waste, Sembla allows entire buildings to be dismantled and the materials used again elsewhere. This reduces construction waste and supports a circular economy. It works for both single-story and multi-story buildings, up to 42.7 feet high, building class 4, and is a great choice for projects that need flexibility, whether for long-term or temporary use. Without the need for traditional adhesives, the construction process moves faster, and modifications can be made easily. The blocks hold their strength even after being reused, which means less environmental impact over time.